So, if you want to add Excel on your computer or your PC or your laptop, you would have to purchase it. Um, right now, it's not free, it's no longer free. So, there's a subscription for Microsoft Office that you need to subscribe onto, like what I'm doing right now. And you would have to set it up under your chosen Outlook email. So, I'm doing this because I'm trying to use Excel and I figured I would have to resubscribe because I haven't renewed my Microsoft Office in a while. So as soon as you are logged in, well, not logged in, you would have to enter your password and make sure you log into your Microsoft Outlook account. So when you finalize your subscription, which is right now, this is what it costs for Microsoft 365. You get like for personal, you can get 69.99 per year, but you do have all those Microsoft Office apps that you can use, and you can also use like you can do 99.99 if you want to give it out to your family members, which is a saving in itself, or you can do just personal if you're just using one computer. So I'm just showing you what Microsoft Office is costing you now because it used to be free. It used to be free, but now you will have to. What I chose in this one is I chose the 6.99 per month because it's easier. You can always upgrade your subscription anytime. So that's showing you the plan. See, that's the one that Microsoft uh, offers. So you could do the apps for business. You know, these are this is the cost for Microsoft Office Business, and this is the one for yearly. So you have that option. If you feel like yearly is a little bit much, you can do the monthly subscription, which is 6.99 per month for personal and 9.99 per month for business. So as soon as you click that, it will, if you have saved your credit cards before, so it's gonna show up as your form of payment. You can remove them or add a new one. This page where it says subscribe to complete your purchase. So this is your final stage in adding your Microsoft Office subscription to your computer, your PC, your laptop, and you'll have access to it. You won't have any warnings that it's unlicensed, or you won't have a problem accessing parts of any of your Microsoft Office apps.